In the heart of a verdant paradise, where emerald leaves danced with sunlight and the air hummed with life, lived a creature of breathtaking beauty. A peacock, a living jewel, its plumage a symphony of sapphire, emerald, and gold. He was a king in his domain, a symbol of grace and resilience, oblivious to the fiery tempest brewing on the horizon. A whisper of change, a shift in the wind, a silent warning carried on the breeze. The forest, once vibrant, held its breath. The peacock, preening in the golden light, remained unaware of the encroaching danger, the fiery serpent slithering closer. Then, the inferno erupted. A wall of fire, hungry and relentless, consumed the forest in its ravenous embrace. The peacock's world transformed into a swirling vortex of heat and destruction. His vibrant paradise became a fiery tomb. He was trapped, his elegant dance replaced by a desperate struggle for survival. Fear fueled his wings. He soared through the smoke-filled air, a flash of blue and green against the backdrop of orange and black. He dodged falling embers and leaping flames, his once proud plumage now a tattered banner of survival. He sought refuge where he could find it, a moment's respite in the heart of the inferno. The world he knew was gone, replaced by a charred wasteland. The air was thick with smoke, the silence broken only by the crackling of embers. Dawn broke over a world transformed. The vibrant tapestry of life had been reduced to ashes. The peacock, his beauty marred, his spirit tested, surveyed the desolate landscape. His home, his sanctuary, was gone. But even in the face of such devastation, life found a way. Tiny green shoots emerged from the blackened earth, a testament to nature's unwavering resilience. The peacock, his spirit unbroken, his beauty slowly returning, stood as a symbol of hope.